In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish course on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and which publishing option to choose so your course appears the way you expect. First, sign in to your Teachable admin dashboard. This is the back end where you manage everything about your school. From the main menu, go to the Courses area and select the specific course you're ready to put in front of learners. Taking a moment here to double-check you've opened the correct course can save you from publishing the wrong one. Once you're inside that course, navigate to the Information tab. This tab is where the core details of your course live, and it's also where you'll find the controls that determine what becomes visible to your audience. Think of this as the command center for publishing and previewing your course content and pages. Within the Information tab, look for the section labeled Publish and Preview. This section is designed to help you control visibility with a couple of clear options, so you can go live confidently, whether everything is finished or you're still polishing a few lessons. When you're ready, click Publish Course. Teachable will present two choices. The first is Yes, Publish All. Choose this if everything is finalized and you want every part of the course ecosystem to go live at once. With this option, your sales page, checkout page, thank you page, and all unpublished lecture pages are published together. In practical terms, students will be able to see and access all lectures immediately, and visitors can purchase right away through your sales and checkout pages. The second option is No, Just Publish Course. This is ideal if you want to start selling and enrolling students now, but you still have some lectures in draft that you're not ready to reveal. With this choice, the course itself, along with the sales and checkout pages, goes live, while any unpublished lectures remain in draft and hidden from students. Only the lectures you've already published will be visible inside the course player. Make your selection based on the state of your content. If everything is complete, publish all. If you're still editing certain lessons but want to open enrollment, publish the course while keeping drafts as they are. After you choose, Teachable will apply your selection, and your public-facing pages, like the sales and checkout pages, will be live and ready for visitors and buyers. That's all it takes. Log in, open your course, head to the Information tab, find Publish and Preview, and choose the publishing option that fits your situation. You can always return to this same place to manage visibility as your course evolves,